Hello, kids! Welcome back to another exciting adventure. I hope you are all doing wonderful and having a fantastic day. In today's video, we are going to explore the amazing world of animals and discover many fascinating creatures from different habitats around the world. Get ready for a fun-filled journey packed with exciting discoveries, amazing wildlife, and surprising facts. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of the amazing animals waiting for you. Let's embark on this amazing journey.
Roosters are known for their distinctive crowing, which usually happens at dawn but can occur any time of day. Roosters are very protective of their flock and will fight predators or other roosters to defend their hens. Roosters play an important role in farm ecosystems, helping to protect and organize the flock. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels have special blood cells that allow them to handle dehydration better than most animals. Camels are very social and live in groups called caravans or herds. Camels can run as fast as 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores, but they mostly eat plants. Deer have a highly developed sense of smell, which is their primary means of communication. They possess 7 different external glands that secrete scents. Deer are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age, and one species. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Ducks are aquatic birds that live near ponds, lakes, rivers, and marshes. They belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes geese and swans. Ducks have a special oil gland near their tails. This keeps them dry and warm even when swimming all day. Anteaters are largely solitary, coming together only to mate. A mother will carry her single offspring on her back for up to a year until it is independent. Anteaters sleep a lot, often up to 15 hours a day. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Cows are one of the main sources of milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Reindeer are one of the few deer species to have been widely domesticated, primarily by the Sami people of Northern Europe and other Arctic indigenous groups. Reindeer are surprisingly vocal. They make a variety of grunts and snorts and a unique clicking sound. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour when chasing prey. Wolves are carnivores. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called Bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view. Leopards are found across Africa and parts of Asia, from rainforests and mountains to savannas and deserts. Leopards' pattern of rosettes, spots shaped like roses, is unique, just like a human fingerprint. Leopards live alone, marking territories with scent and scratch marks. Polar bear fur is actually transparent and hollow, which makes it look white in the snow. A polar bear's skin is black, which helps absorb heat, but their fur looks white because it reflects light. Polar bears are powerful swimmers. Bulls are colorblind to red and green, so they react to the movement of the cape, not the color. Bulls can remember people, places, and situations, especially if they had a bad or stressful experience. Tigers can imitate the sounds of prey animals, like deer, to trick them and get closer for a hunt. Tigers spray a special scent that smells like buttered popcorn to mark their territory. Strange but true. Tigers have soft, padded paws that allow them to move almost completely silently through the jungle. Sheep can remember and recognize human and sheep faces for years, even up to 50 different individuals. Sheep can feel fear, happiness, and calmness. and their behavior changes based on mood and environment. Sheep are very social animals. Lions can sleep or rest for 20 hours a day, making them one of the laziest big cats. A lion's roar is so powerful it can be heard from up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away, used to warn rivals and gather the pride. Giraffes were long thought to be mostly silent. However, recent research suggests they hum to each other, primarily at night, and they also communicate using snorts, grunts, and moans. Giraffes have the shortest sleep requirement of any mammal. Giraffe populations are declining, and they are classified as vulnerable to extinction, mainly due to habitat loss, poaching, and civil unrest in parts of Africa. Wow, kids, what an amazing adventure we had today learning about giant safari animals and small farm animals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting animal adventures and fun learning videos. We'll see you again on our next amazing journey into the animal kingdom.